Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can install Zen mods in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, Zen mods are basically the equivalent to extensions on other web browsers such as Chrome or Mozilla. So what you want to do is open up the Zen browser. And here guys, click into these three dots and navigate to your browser settings. Here in your browser settings, click into Zen mods, and then you may, for instance, import your own created mods, export them, check for updates, or navigate to the library here. Use the search bar here, for example, or you may go with, for instance, these filters like last created, last updated. It depends on your preferences. I will go with this custom cursor mod here. Scroll down, click into install mod, wait for the installation to be finished. And that's basically it. It may be needed that you restart the Zen browser after that to see if the mod has been correctly installed, but that depends pretty much on the mod you install. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.